Hey guys, my name is James, and listen, I'd like to welcome you again to Mississippi Coroner's Facts or Fiction. Those of you who are tuning in for the first time, we'd like to welcome you. Now, I was recently asked a question that I thought that I'll do a video on in order to help you understand. And as you can see behind me, we are talking about the Mississippi State Crime Lab and the Mississippi State Medical Examiner's Office. I will ask, were these the same? Well, the short answer is yes. But the long answer is written behind me. So we'll talk about Mississippi State Crime Lab and the Mississippi State Medical Examiner's Office. Let's go. Hey guys, like I said, I was recently asked about the differences in the Mississippi State Crime Lab and the Mississippi State Medical Examiner's Office. And my short answer were they are the same as far as we are concerned. However, inside of the building, they have two different operations. Now, look at Roman number 1 on the board from the left to my right on the Mississippi State Crime Lab. And I have listed some of the things that they do on the crime lab side, which is evidence analysis. This is evidence that is collected by law enforcement on criminal cases to involve shooting and a variety of other things, even car accident. But on the state crime lab side, they analyze evidence from scenes. This includes photographs, gunshot residue kits, latent fingerprints, toxicology, blood splatters, and the state crime lab, they also testify in court. Okay. Now, what some people may not know is that on the crime lab side, if you didn't know, they will also work the scene in any county if you call them. I've known some police chiefs and sheriffs in small counties call them in, as well as large counties. Okay, just depending on the situation that they got. So the state crime lab has a team that will come out and work any case, criminal case, in any county in the state of Mississippi. Now, you may not have known that, but in places where you don't have the manpower, they will gladly come in and work those cases for you and turn in all of the evidence and testify in court on your behalf if you ever need them. So that's what they do on the crime lab side. But the Mississippi State Medical Examiner's Office are the ones that are involved in the autopsy. This is where our forensic pathologists are. The state crime lab also govern, if you would, all coroners in the state of Mississippi. They set the laws and bylaws for coroner, as well as help with our continuing education. But more importantly, the State Medical Examiner Office do all autopsies for all counties in the state of Mississippi. Now, they are also responsible for testifying in court on homicide cases, and I'm sure there are other cases that they testify on, but that's what is happening on the State Medical Examiner side. The State Medical Examiner makes all decisions, and I want you to listen to this very well, because a lot of people think that the coroners have these duties and we can't have these duties. The State Medical Examiner's Office make all decisions on who will get an autopsy and who will not get an autopsy, not the county coroner. These cases, the county coroner submit information concerning the cases to the State Medical Examiner's Office, and the State Medical Examiner's investigators, as well as the pathologist, would make a decision whether or not they will accept the case for autopsy. If they do not accept the case for autopsy, they will give the coroner advice as to how to rule on that case, and the case is then sent for disposition to a funeral home. Okay, save this video, review it if you would like, but that is the difference between the Mississippi State Crime Laboratory and the Mississippi State Medical Examiner's Office as it relates to the county coroner. Hey guys, and there you have it. Facts or fiction. And until next time, we out.